Hi, good morning, friends. I'm gonna make the aloo tarkari, which is potato vegetable, to go with the halwa puri breakfast. Halwa puri नाश्ते बनाने के लिए. So today I'm using, I think in this one, let me turn on the flame. I've used 4 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, 2 tablespoons of oil, canola oil. I'm using the brand Shan Aloo Bhaji, and this will be the picture. And I have already chopped, peeled and cut actually 6 potatoes. 2 were medium size and other 4 were slightly smaller. So I have peeled and cut them. I'm gonna add the potatoes to them. I added 8 cups. I'll show you the cups of water. I'll show you the cup right now. This is my measuring mug for this, and for this I used 8 mugs of water, and then I'm gonna just let it cook on high flame. I'll cover it up and then keep a check on it and see. At this stage, when we can see that the water has been reduced, the potatoes are very well done, all tender, nicely done. So I'm gonna add cilantro and some green chilies to it. Mix it up, leave for simmer for 5 minutes, and then dish it out. I'm gonna leave it in for 5 minutes and then dish it out soon. This is the final picture of the aloo bhaji. It's all ready, looks delicious. The consistency is just like the one we eat at the restaurants, and I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I'm looking forward to post some new recipes next time. Till then, take care. Love you all. Goodbye. Before taking leave, let me show you guys the menu. This is the Chana Masala for the Halwa Puri breakfast. This is the suji ka halwa. Someone tasted it from the side. I can see that. It is very, very tasty. And then the aloo bhaji. Hope you all enjoy your weekend and actually the whole week. Till the next time, final goodbye.